Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Lovely Creations DIY. Today I will make flowers from carry bags. I will use waste carry bag for this. For more interesting craft videos, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all notifications. First, take any cloth carry bags. Cut it into strips. Now fold these strips. Now cut one side like shown in the video. Take a wire and fold little part from one side like this. Now I am making a bud. This is no glue flower making. You can easily make these flowers from waste carry bag. Now tie this bud using thread. Then take this white strip and start making flower as shown in the video. Don't throw your waste carry bags. You can easily make these type of washable flowers. Let me know in the comment box about this best out of waste idea. Now tie this flower using thread. Cover the wire with floral tape. You can use green paper also to cover this. If you like this video, so please subscribe to this channel. I will make red flowers also. You can use different color carry bags for flowers. Here our flowers are ready. Decorate these flowers in vase. You can watch this bottle decor video on my channel. Subscribe this channel and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.